Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Mama Jo and this is
Rylan.
And today we are going to make dropper bottle recipes using essential oils for Rylan, immune booster, and ubo sipon. Do you know what ubo means? Cough. And sipon is colds. So we are using a recipe that was shared to me by my friend Carla Ling. Shout out Carla Ling. Alright, now it says here we need 4 drops of RC. So this one is RC, friends. So we need to count now. Again, we need to count. 1, 2, 3, and 4 drops.
Yummy,
and then next one is, what's this one called?
Lavender.
Lavender. Well done. And we need 3 drops. Can you help me count?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
I'm gonna do the brown one.
Oh, you want to do the brown one? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah!
And then
I need this one.
that's called, show it to your friends. What's this one called?
Thieves.
Thieves. Alright. Now we only need 2 drops.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, we need, oh, this one is a strong oil. Okay, so Mama will help you, okay? 2. Only 2 drops. And then we need 1
not
drop.
too much.
Not too much. Very good. 1 drop of kupaiba.
Kupaiba.
Alright, now we only need 1 drop. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh.
1. And then all you need to do is you swirl it in the bottle. Wow, you can't see. And then our carrier oil is grapeseed.
Grapes. Mine is grapes.
That's grapes. Grapeseed oil, and we got this one from Costco because it's cheaper. And grapeseed oil is not greasy. Alright? Now you can also leave this one overnight or you can just add it right away.
I'm gonna add it right away.
You wanna add it right away. Okay, ready?
How do you
Alright. That's it. And then we put the lid back on and then can you shake it?
Yeah, I'll just
Alright, okay, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Now, the next recipe is for Rylan's immune booster. So, this one is a roller bottle. So, all you need to do to take the lid off is to twist it like that. Alright.
Rylan's cup.
Now, all we need to do is add 5 drops of thieves and 5 drops of frankincense. But I also want to add 1 drop of kupaiba.
I'm gonna do the seeds.
Thieves? Okay. Mama will still help you, okay? Now, this one is frankincense, one of my favorite oils. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now we need to add 5 drops of thieves. Alright, Mama is going to help you. This one is a strong oil. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then Mama wanted to add 1 drop of kupaiba.
I'm gonna do it too.
Alright, 1 drop, okay? Ready? Be careful.
We don't want to spill.
Alright, we don't want to spill it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, we need to swirl it in the bottle. And then we are going to add the grapeseed oil. Well done. Alright.
I want to have it too.
And then, all we need to do is put the lid back on. And then we push it back inside. And then, can you shake it again for me, please? Shaky, 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 shaky. And then, because we are going to bed soon, that's why Rylan is in pajamas, we are going to, wait, first, Mama is going to put the immune booster oil on Rylan's chest. And show your friends your strong muscles. Come on. Strong muscles. All right. And bye to your friends. that's the end of our video.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
And say bye.
See you next time. Bye, friends. Siki, 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 siki.